Now, the best way that I can equate this is with a baseball analogy. Baseball players, they get paid a lot of money. This is the best analogy that I can give you so you understand what I'm talking about, okay? Let's talk about the highest paid player in the MLB for 2023. His name is Mike Trout. He plays for the Los Angeles Angels. Now, Mike hits his ball 3 out of 10 times. And because he hits that well, he gets paid $37 million every single year. All right? So my point is, you do not have to be right all the time in this market in order to win. What you do have to do is you have to have a plan and a way to effectively manage your risk. Hey everybody, Casey here. Thank you for tuning in today. I've done I think 1 or 2 of these videos over the course of my very short YouTube career. But, you know, as I continue to grow, as I continue to learn more, I think that there's always room for revamping. So today, I'm gonna share with you my 4 tips that I would give to a new trader entering this space. So you excited? You done seen somebody post about some money and you ready to jump in, feet first, ready to go. Well, I'm gonna set you straight with a couple of tips that I think will help get you on the path quickly to trading successfully, being consistent, and making sure, most importantly, that you manage risk. All right, so the very first thing is to make sure that you find good education, right? There's a lot of information to sift through out here on these YouTube streets, and everything and everybody is not gonna resonate with you. The key to being successful in this trading space is being able to understand the concepts. And if you're working with a mentor who you cannot connect with, i.e. follow their instruction or follow their teachings, is really pointless, right? Cut your losses if you are in that situation and keep looking for somebody else who you vibe with, who you understand, who you relate to, okay? And who also trades your trading style. Now, the second thing that I would do if I was a new trader, I would stick with one source of information. Now, once you find somebody that you can rock with, stay with them. Don't hop from mentor to mentor trying to learn new strategies. You got to get your arms around one first before moving on to the next strategy. And really, I don't even like the term strategy. It seems very gimmicky. I think that there is one approach to the market, and that's what you should be following. But you need to have a consistent approach to the market in order to be successful. So if you're always hopping from one strategy to the next, you'll never be able to perfect one thing, and you really can't measure improvement that way. Now, the third thing that I would do if I was a new trader coming into this space, I would understand the importance of risk management. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I started in this space and I had no idea about risk management, okay? I'm embarrassed to say, I didn't get a good handle on this until about 2 years into trading, which is how I blew an $8,000 trading account in 3 days. I'll tell y'all about that later, okay? If risk management stays at the forefront of your trading plan, you will forever be okay. Now, the best way that I can equate this is with a baseball analogy. Baseball players, they get paid a lot of money. This is the best analogy that I can give you so you understand what I'm talking about, okay? Let's talk about the highest paid player in the MLB for 2023. His name is Mike Trout. He plays for the Los Angeles Angels. Now, Mike hits his ball 3 out of 10 times. And because he hits that well, he gets paid $37 million every single year. All right? So my point is, you do not have to be right all the time in this market in order to win. What you do have to do is you have to have a plan and a way to effectively manage your risk. If you have the rules that you follow and a good risk management plan in place, you too can only win 3 out of 10 trades and still be making good money. If you haven't already, make sure that you sign up for my no-cost trading plan template by clicking the link in the video description below. And while you're at it, go ahead, grab a copy of the risk management calculator. I promise you it will save you from a world of heartache and headache, and you won't have to lose $8,000 to learn your lesson like I did. Okay, so the last tip that I have for you new traders is making sure that you understand how the market moves, making sure that you understand market structure and price action. When you understand how the market moves, you can play the game. If you don't understand the relationship between the higher time frames with the lower time frames, none of this is going to make sense for you. And then you may win for a little while, but I guarantee you, you're never going to have consistent results. So there's a good book out there that helped me better understand this concept and put these pieces together. It's called The Elliott Wave Principle. It is a boring book, but let me tell you, it was exciting for me because it helped me realize how the market was structured, and ultimately it helped me realize that I was going to be able to make more money as soon as I adopted the principles within that book and started applying them to my trading. So that made it all the more interesting for me. So in conclusion, if you understand how the market moves, if you know how to effectively manage your risk, you are well on your way to dominating and winning in this trading space. Now, I know a lot of you guys are already frustrated. You tried every strategy that there is out there. You've executed trades, crossed your fingers, closed your eyes, and hoped that they went your way. But the days of that are over. Let's get pinpoint accurate. Let's get, intentional and about how we trade and how we approach this market so that you can be a success story. Don't give up on this effort. Please do not give up. I think back to what other way is there that I could go and legally make money like this? Like, the ceiling is unlimited. Now, the videos that you see out there of people promoting $10 to $10,000, is it possible? Yes. Is it sustainable? Probably not. And is it something that you're going to be able to do consistently? More than likely, no. You have to get a good, strong foundation. And once you build up that foundation, then you'll be well on your way to do just that. All right. So if you found this video to be helpful, if you related to the information, if anything that I said resonated with you, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I try to put out talking head videos like this about different topics that as traders we encounter or go through. And then I also do a little bit of analysis as well. Now, if you're looking for a group of like-minded individuals and you want to learn the information, no cost or very low cost, make sure you click the link below the video so that you can join the Facebook group where I do periodic training. And then if you're looking for something that's more structured, make sure that you click those two links. I've got a link for a course about Fibonacci. I've got trading plan templates for you, and then also the risk calculator. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who is trying to learn how to trade, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Have a phenomenal weekend. Bye.